Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Hantek 2D42 multifunction meter. As you can see, it comes inside a Ziploc case. This one has already been opened. I've been using this for a while. Your kit will be slightly different. It comes with the Hantek, obviously the Hantek unit, which has the scope, the digital multimeter, and the arbitrary waveform generator functions included. Parts-wise, in additional to that, it should come with two meter probes, which are used for the digital multimeter portion of the Hantek. It comes with a BNC to alligator clip, which can be used either for the scope portion or for the arbitrary waveform generator portion. It comes with a probe. Now, some of your kits, as I understand it, actually come packaged with two probes. That was something that we had requested from the supplier. So you may actually have two scope probes. And this is what the probe looks like on the inside. Obviously the BNC connector that plugs in, the main contact and the ground. And this is a ×1 or a ×10 probe. That refers to the input impedance of the probe. And it comes with a USB wall adapter and a Type-C charging cable. The USB-C charging cable. Unfortunately, all these adapters come from the manufacturers with the European style plugs on them, but we've included adapters in all the kits. And these power supplies, again, as most European products are, they work anywhere from 100 to 240 volts. So these are universal. You just plug the adapter on, you can plug it into North American power. So this is everything that you should be seeing inside your Hantek 2D42 multifunction meter.